If you make content on this platform, then it is impossible for you to ignore shorts. Posting shorts is not bad, because if it is, YouTube wouldn't have added it on this space. The know that posting shorts can help grow your channel and also increase your engagement. Shorts helps you to deliver your message. Shorts increases the visibility of your channel. Basically, posting shorts is a way of advertising your channel. Yes, you have to advertise your channel. Your channel is your product, and when you don't advertise your products, nobody is going to know the content of that your product. Your channel is your product, and the only way you can advertise it is by posting shorts. There are other ways you can advertise it, but today we are talking about YouTube shorts. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make and upload YouTube shorts in just 5 minutes with your already uploaded long form video. Yes, we are going to use that video you uploaded long time ago to make a short. But before then, if you are seeing this for the first time, hello, my name is Sylvia Chimdema, and you're welcome to Dima's World. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel and watch this video to the very end. So guys, to upload your shorts, head over to your YouTube app and tap on it. Once it opens, click on your profile to take you to your channel. Now select the video you would like to use. For this tutorial, we'll be using this video. You are getting no views. Simply go ahead and click on the remix, and then select edit into a short. Once it opens, the right way, scroll around to select the most interesting parts of the video should take in order for you to upload your video. You can as well increase the video length from 15 seconds to 60 seconds. After that, click on layouts to select the layout you want your video to appear in. Scroll around and make your choice. And your thumbnail. For the purpose of this video, we'll be using the single layout. Once you are done, click on continue. Now go ahead and give this video a title. And also the relevant tags needed. Then go ahead and set your visibility. For this tutorial, we'll be leaving it on private. Then add your location. After that, go ahead to complete other features. Once you are done, click on upload shorts and allow the video to upload. Please, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section about this. So that is basically how you can make and upload your YouTube shorts with your already uploaded long form video. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, share, and go down to the comment section to tell me you've done all of that. See you guys on my next video.